Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnston County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Smithfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Clayton, Micro, Selma, Four Oaks, Pine Level, Kenley, Princeton, Enid and Coates Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Johnston, North Carolina,